As an entrepreneur, it's important to have a web presence. In this video, I will show you the 5 things you need to know before registering your domain name, including how to buy and register your domain, choosing the right domain, and if you should buy expired domains. So you're about to register a domain name, right? That's great, but before you do, there are a few things you should know. Like what, you may ask? Well, for starters, did you know that your domain name is one of the most critical pieces for your online presence? It's true, and it's not just about looks. Your domain name also affects how well you rank in search engines. Plus, a good domain name can help bring your business and make it easier for customers to find you online. So if you want to get the most out of your website, be sure to choose a domain name that represents your business well. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Number 1, what is a domain name and how do I register one? A domain name is a unique internet address. It's what comes after the www when you surf the web. When you register a domain name, you reserve that website address. No one else can use it. You can think of it as your home address. Just as your mailing address identifies where you live, your domain name identifies where your website lives on the internet. To register a domain name, you'll need to choose a registrar, a company that manages the reservation of the internet domain names. We will talk about this a little bit later on. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Number 2, why do you need a domain? In today's digital world, a domain is essential for any business that wants to make money online. Owning a domain name is necessary if you want to make money online. After all, how can a customer find your website if you don't have a domain name? Plus, a domain name gives your business credibility and professionalism. Customers are more likely to trust a business with its own domain name than one that doesn't. And if you're looking to sell products or services online, having a domain name is a must. It will make it easier for customers to find you and give you a way to accept payments and build a professional-looking website. In short, there's really no reason not to have a domain name if you want to be successful in making money online. Number 3, how to find the right domain name for your business. Your domain name needs to be unique so that people can find your website when they type it into their web browser. That means no one else can have the same domain name as you. The domain name for your business should be reflective of the brand and easy for customers to find. The best domain names are short, simple, and easy to remember. It would be best to consider using keywords in your domain name to help improve your site's ranking in search engines. Once you have a good selection of a few potential domain names, you can use a tool like GoDaddy's domain name search to check their availability. If the domain name you want is already taken, you may be able to get it by adding an extension, such as .net or .biz. Alternatively, you can try a different domain name altogether. The most important thing is to choose a domain name that is both memorable and relevant to your business. Number 4, where to buy a domain name. A domain name can be purchased from several different places on the internet. One popular option is to use a web hosting service such as GoDaddy or A2 Web Hosts. These services usually provide a simple way to search and purchase available domain names. Once you've found an available domain name that you like, you can complete the purchase through the web hosting service. Domain registrars usually have slightly more options for customizing your domain, such as choosing between different top-level domains, the .com, .net, or .org, all of those .whatever at the end. However, finding and purchasing a domain name are generally similar. Whichever route you choose, buying a domain name is typically straightforward. Number 5, should I buy an expired domain? The pros and the cons. When a domain expires, it becomes available for purchase by the general public. Anyone can buy an expired domain, and there are several benefits to doing so. One advantage is the expired domain often comes with existing backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website and are often one of the main factors that search engines use to rank websites. So if you purchase an expired domain that already has backlinks, your website will likely boost search engine rankings. Expired domain names can be a great way to start a new website, but there are also some things that could go wrong that you should know about before you buy. One of the most significant risks is that Google or other search engines may have blacklisted the domain. This could result in your website being penalized or even banned from appearing in search results. Additionally, the domain's previous owner may have made some poor choices that could reflect negatively on your business. For example, if the domain was previously used for spamming or other shady activities, it could be challenging to build a reputation for your new site. Finally, expired domains can be more expensive than registering a new one, so it's important to weigh all the options and the potential risks and benefits before doing so. But now that you understand the basics of registering a domain name, you're ready to start choosing and purchasing your own. First, research your niche and find out what domain names your competitors use. Remember that the base domain names are short, simple, and easy to remember, and should include a keyword so your audience can quickly identify your brand. Again, we recommend using web hosting services such as GoDaddy or A2 Hosting, as they provide an easy way to search for and purchase available domain names. Because domain names are an important part of any business's online presence. We've outlined 5 things you need to know before registering a domain name in this video. We've also provided some tips on finding the perfect domain for your business and what to do if it's already taken. Finally, we explored the pros and cons of purchasing expired domains. Registering a domain name is a simple process, but it's essential to do your research beforehand. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on our next video, the 10 methods to making money with cryptocurrency.